Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be attempting to dress and balance my Titan bench grinder. We'll see how we get on. So if you've seen my previous unboxing video for this bench grinder, you'll know there's a little bit of vibration when it's in use. So I've done a bit of reading online. I've looked up a method to balance the wheels, so I'm going to attempt that first. And once that's done, I've got a dressing tool from Amazon, and we'll go ahead and dress the wheels as well and make sure they're perfectly round. So primary culprit is this right hand wheel, so we start there first. So let's get cracking. The basic method for trying to balance these that I've found is to mark the spindle, the cap plate against the wheel, and then rotate the two approximately 1/4 of an inch. Try it, see if that makes any difference, and then adjust as necessary. So we'll give that a go to start with and see how far we get. So I'm just going to mark a line across the plate and onto the stone itself, and then we'll rotate the two, try it and see how it looks. So that seems a little better. Let's rotate it another 1/4 of an inch and see if that makes improves it further. If anything, that seems a little worse. I'm going to rotate it, rotate the plate clockwise again another 1/4 of an inch and see what difference that makes. If it's no better, then I think I'll go back to the first change that we made and take a look at the other side. So that was quite a bit better. I think this right hand side is quite well balanced now. There's still some side to side movement in the wheel, but it seems to be spinning a lot smoother. So much so that I think the left hand side seems to be where the vibration is coming from now. So I think we'll turn our attention to this side and perform the same procedure on the left hand side and see whether we can get it to spin smoothly. Hello again guys, obviously different day. I don't seem to be able to get a video finished in one day at the moment. Anyway, a bit more fiddling about with using the rotation method that I found online. I've managed to get this somewhat vibration free, better than it was out of the box anyway. We still need to do some dressing on this wheel. This one's pretty good now, but this one still needs some dressing. Anyway, I'll have a go at dressing this wheel and see how much better we can get it. So. Mostly balanced. There's still a small amount of vibration in it, as you hopefully have seen from the previous clip. You can see that the wood I placed on top of the motor housing was still moving slightly. There is a small amount of vibration still left in it, but for my purposes it's more than close enough. It's very safe to use, and it should be very easy to use with that amount of vibration. Obviously, if it gets worse again through use, I'll have to balance it and dress it again. The dressing of this wheel did remove some of the imbalance and improve the vibration again slightly. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with where it is now, and I'll be happy to use that as it is. As regards this unit, the Titan 200mm bench grinder from Screwfix, it's 40 quid, it's not exactly expensive. Would I recommend it? Yes, with the proviso that if you buy one, you know, buy it with the understanding that you may have to spend a couple of hours pissing about getting it balanced and dressing the wheels. If you're happy to do that, then yeah, go ahead and get one. Otherwise it seems pretty solid. So there you go, all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, see you in the next one. Cheers.